Find everyone. Find everyone who knows. We're back, folks! Did you miss me?
How are we looking?
It's a beautiful day on Ferric. Survival rate, 9%.
Repulse nodes online.
Repulse nodes active. Vector clamps calibrated. Structural collapse grid locked.
All right. Let's rearrange the field. Noise everywhere, orders, footfalls, the metal in my hands. I keep moving because that's what we're told to do. But it doesn't feel right. It hasn't for a while. It feels like I'm watching someone else's war. I'm supposed to raise the rifle, but I can't. And the emptiness just grows. I see the fire eating the same ground we swore to defend. I see faces that they're not who they told us they were. Their every glance, it's the wrong people running from us. What am I doing? They're not the enemy. I am.
Welcome! Welcome to round 2 of the 43rd annual Battle Racer! Let's go! Yeah! Grab a cold one! Place your bets! Things are about to heat up! Sandra is next!
Ready to go, Brett? Guys, a washout.
Pay me!
You got lucky last one.
Thank you, Brad. Now pay up!
I'm telling you, racing against your own spouse is the fastest way to die.
Kale and Sandra don't race against each other. They move like a unit.
Kale's rig is the quickest on Ferric. Hers might be just as fast. Both stacked with tech we can't even price.
I told him that I wanted something that pulls the whole world toward me. Like he did.
Convergence core armed. It is a localized mass convergence.
I know what it is.
Are you sure about this?
I wonder if she attracts men as well as she attracts garbage.
You're blind!
Everything I know about building started in this room. Here I learned that hope can be built by hand. He taught me to trust what I could feel, not just what I could see. He let me hold the tools, even when my hands were too small. Back then, I didn't understand why he stayed up so late in here. He'd let me stay up as long as I kept up. Watching him believe in something bigger than this place, it taught me how to keep going. It just felt like time with him, and he always gave me time. I still hear his voice.
Can't wait to enter the race. This is gonna give us a real shot. We're gonna get out of here. It hasn't been programmed yet, but it will be once we're done.